Gua Sha is an ancient East Asian therapy that involves scraping sore muscles to relieve pain, particularly effective for short-term neck pain, though results vary. Important precautions include avoiding use on joints or the spine to prevent inflammation or injury. To practice Gua Sha, you'll need a specialized tool typically made of a smooth material like stone, stainless steel, or jade. Start by identifying sore areas, rubbing over your muscles with your fingers to locate the area where you feel stiffness or tension. Typically, Gua Sha massage is performed on the back, shoulders, hips, or back of the neck, but you can perform it wherever you feel muscle pain. Apply an oil or therapeutic balm liberally to the affected area, rubbing it into your skin until the product has been partially absorbed but the surface of your skin is still slick. To allow the Gua Sha to glide without friction, in one direction, scrape over the stiff muscle with the Gua Sha tool, following the contours of your muscle and applying consistent pressure to the affected muscle. Work in small 2 to 3 inch areas, scraping about 6 to 8 times until they turn red, before moving on to another sore part in your muscle. Most redness you may notice is just capillaries under your skin breaking in response to the Gua Sha pressure, which results in what looks like small red dots, which is known as petechia. This is a normal response to Gua Sha therapy, and the redness will go away in a couple of days. Gua Sha sessions typically last around 10 minutes, and while they may be uncomfortable, they should never be extremely painful. Clean your tool thoroughly after each use to prevent the spread of pathogens. Afterward, hydrate, unwind, and avoid strenuous activities. You may feel a soreness where you performed the Gua Sha, but it will subside in a few days, leaving your muscles soothed and relaxed.